Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Sorry for not uploading any new videos for the past couple of weeks. There's a reason, I'll let you guys know. Today, just want to show you guys that things I bought, which is a product from Japan. I want to introduce to all of you that is a kind of a rain repellent which you can apply to your windscreen. So there are three products here. I bought it as a package. The first one is to actually remove any dirt or oil compound from your windscreen. So after that, you apply this, then you can use this rain repellent. It's a product from Japan, Soft99. The third product, this is you can apply it to your windscreen and your reverse camera as well. Alright, let's see how it's going to work. Okay, let's take a look how it works. Open that. Okay. So it's very convenient. You can just apply this to your windscreen. So there's a chemical inside the bottle. That's the first one. And the second one. Let's open it. Okay. And it's the same concept as well. Yeah, you can just apply it by pressing it, I guess. So let's try later. And the third one, this is to spray onto the windscreen. Yeah, very easy to use. Alright, so let's try. So this is my car windscreen. I have already cleaned it once with the stain remover, but still it's not so clean. Let's try. So it's quite straightforward. You have this and then you just rub it, and later on just clean with the water. Okay, I'm going to finish this and we'll let you know how it looks later. Okay, I have already evenly applied the products to the windscreen to clear all the oil stains and dirt. Alright, as you can see, I removed, cleaned it up, and as you can see, it serves as a stain remover as well. Right now the windscreen is completely dry, so I read the instruction just now that this product needs to be applied on a completely dry windscreen, completely dry surface. It's very easy to use. Just rub evenly to the windscreen and let it dry. That's it. While waiting the windscreen surface to dry, we'll try on the third product. Maybe to spray on the side mirror. Very simple. So try it. And the rear wind, the reverse camera as well. Okay. Alright. So that's after 15 minutes. Let's try the effect. Wow, awesome. Can you see that? Look at that. Look at it. And here's the windscreen. Oh my god. That's awesome. Overall, I'm very satisfied with these products, and definitely very good products. Just remember, when you're preparing the surface, ensure that you do it in cold weather. Otherwise, the compound might dry too fast, then cause unevenly applied to the surface. Alright, that's all for this round. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.